يلا بعد الثالث إن شاء الله بنخلص الدرس الأخير من البروبابيلتي والكوادراتيك فانكشنز. هاي الأسئلة كثير سهل إن شاء الله. Hannah is conducting a survey at a local gym. She's asking a member if they prefer free weight or machine. The table shows the result. Women and men, free weight or machine. The question needs the probability of a woman who prefer free weight. So we are looking for a woman with a free weight over the total. So it will be 116 over 160, which is 10%. Next question. Survey asks whether or not they had a pet or whether they committed for long work longer than 20 minutes or shorter than. Use a two-way frequency table to solve the problem. We need the probability person chosen at random that long with no pet. So we need long commit with no pet with long. Low with long. So it will be 48 over 196. And we have to calculate the result, which is around 24%. Next question. Probability that someone plays piano, giving that, so we have a condition here. He's 18 or older. So we do care about 18 or older. اللي هما 0.57. From those people who are 18 or older, how many one plays piano? 0.24. They are not even ask you what is the value of x. They are asking you to answer the question. So we agreed always the condition is the new sample space. Our condition is 18 or older. So number of people who are 18 or older, our frequency of them is 0.75. How many one plays piano? 0.24. Done. Oh, Jamil, nice. Now the quadratic. The question asks us to find a vertex. We agreed this is a form different than the standard form. The standard form is y equal ax squared plus bx plus c, and to find the vertex we have minus b over 2a. We replace it and we get. But we have another formula that we can compare it with this one. It is y or f of x equal a x minus h squared plus k. Well, vertex can be found directly by knowing the value of h and k. Now, if we look to the example, we see that the value of a is 4, b is 12, with c is k. A, h is 12, while k is 1. Well, vertex is h comma k, which means 12 comma 1. Where is 12 comma 1? It is the first part, D. 12 comma 1. Next question. The question here, question number 6, asks me to find the vertex. Let us find ABC. A is -1, B is 4, or C is 2. The vertex we have to find minus B over 2A, which means -4 over 2 by -1. That means the value of x is 2. We check the answers. Which choice started with x equals 2? It is only D. There is no need to find y لأنه we are wasting our time. خلاص x equals 2 in part D. We need to find domain and range for this question. Okay. A is -1. B is 2, C is 1. It's concave down. So the range will be y less than. Concave down, which means less than. The domain, we agreed, it is all real numbers. But to find the vertex, we have to find x equal minus b over 2a, which means minus 2 over 2 by negative 1, so x will be 1. Now I have to replace to get y. Y equal negative 1 squared plus 2 v1 plus 1. So y will be 2. So the vertex is 1, 2. So y will be less than 2 because the highest point would be at 2. So y less than or equals to. Next question. They need the x coordinate of the vertex. That means we need x equal negative b over 2a. A is negative 1, B is 8, with C is negative 15. So it will be negative 8 over 2 by negative 1. Calculate it. Be careful about the signs. The answer will be 4. Next question. Same story. The question is asking us to find the x coordinate of the vertex. That means we need x equal negative b over 2a. A is negative 3, b is negative 9, or c is 2. So x equal negative minus 9 over 2 by negative 3, which is negative 3 over 2. Okay. Again, the question is similar to the question at the top. The question asked me to find the domain. The domain is all real numbers. We need to find the range. This one is concave down, so y is less than or equal. Concave down, يعني less than. Do you want to write it in word? Do you want to write y less than? It is fine. But we have to know y. Now we got x, which is minus 3 over 2. So to get y, I have to replace negative 3 في negative 3 over 2 squared minus 9 في negative 3 over 2 plus 2. Y will be 8.75. So y is less than 8.75. Or do you write it in word? Y less than 8.75 to be in the safe side. It is fine. Next one. Here we have to replace only to draw. Remember, vertex coming at the middle. So if I want to replace, I will negative 1 squared plus 2 by negative 1 plus 1. The answer will be negative 2. If you replace 0, answer is 1. Place 1, 2, 1, and negative 2. But you have to double check all these points, guys. All these points should be replaced. Let us plot. And then a negative 2. Negative 1 and negative 2, the point is here. 0 and 1, point is here. 1 and 2, the point is here. And 2 and 1, the point is here. 3 and negative 2, the point is here. No, we have something wrong. 2 and 1. The point is here. Now we have to connect all these together. And that's it. Okay. Remember, it's concave down because the first number is negative. Your graph should be similar to the concaving down. It should be parabola. Otherwise, you have something wrong in your calculation. Be careful. Now, here, a vertex is not given. So we have to find it to put it at the middle. X equal negative b over 2a. Negative 8 over 2 by negative 1. That means x equals to 4. So I will put 4 at the middle, and I will select number above and below. 3, 2, 5, and 6. And we do like what we did in the previous question. We replace to get the answers. Let us calculate. It will be negative 4 squared plus 8 by 4 minus 15. It will be 1. If we replace it 2, for example, negative 2 squared plus 8 by 2 minus 15. It will be negative 3, 0, 0, and negative 3. Let us plot. So we have 2 and negative 3, 3 and 0, 4 and 1, 5 and 0, 6 and negative 3. Again, it's concave down, so our graph should be down. Connect it smoothly and extend it. Remember, since the table is not filled with the value of x, you have to find the vertex to put it at the middle. Our vertex is the highest point. Same story for this one. We have to find the vertex. We get it before. Minus negative 9 over 2 by negative 3, which is negative 3 over 2. We put it at the middle, which is negative 1.5. So write it in decimal. Choose numbers below and above. Let us take negative 2, negative 3, negative 1, and 0, and we replace in the original equation. Minus 3 في negative 3 squared minus 9 في negative 3 plus 2. 2, 8, 8.75, 8 and 2, and we plot this point again, it's concave down. Negative 3, 2, negative 2 and 8. خلينا نكبر. Negative 1.5 and 8.75. Negative 1 and 8 was 0 and 2. Let me enlarge it a little bit to make it clear. Now we connect all these with each other. Oh, thank you so much, and good luck everyone.